been waiting 5 days for this. It's go time.
It's time to go drive this thing. Another day, another vlog intro. I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, and I'm heading over to the grandstand right now to pick up the CBOYS. Hopefully they're enjoying the nice breakfast that the grandstand puts on. So we're gonna grab those guys. We obviously are like, you know, the wheel, tire, suspension experts when it comes to lifted trucks. That's all what we're about. The CBOYS, however, are all about power sports, boating, and all that crazy cool stuff. So today I'm actually gonna take them out on the water because Banker's almost finished with their truck. He's got everything ripped out. He's got the new suspension put in. Basically, it's gotta go to alignment and then it's done. And I don't want them to see it until we finally reveal it to them. If you guys don't have a Quick Trip in your town, you're missing out. We love you, Quick Trip. Hashtag not sponsored. So boat's in the water. We're gonna hop in, probably do some skiing first, and then do a little bit of barefooting. So ready to go.
Barefooting, if any of you guys haven't seen it, is pretty entertaining. It's pretty intense. So to explain barefooting to you guys who don't know what it is, basically the boat is just driving so fast that you don't need like a ski or a wakeboard or a surfboard, nothing. Your bare feet are enough just to slide across it because the water just becomes so hard at that speed.
It also becomes very hard when you fall.
Yeah. This is so far away from you guys.
Yeah. Ready? All right, man. Got a little wet. A little wet.
That went literally perfectly.
Thanks, Mike.
Just leave him. Just leave him. Let's get out of here. I'm sick of this. Just blow past him. He's just like, oh.
3 minutes before the truck's gonna get revealed, but Banger's putting on the final touches here. Okay, so this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Behind me is the CBOYS truck behind the black curtain, so I'm gonna go get them and drag them in here, and we're gonna finally reveal their truck to them. They haven't seen it at all. We drove past the alignment shop last night on the way to dinner, and I just like flew by because I was like, I didn't want them to see the truck, so they haven't seen it at all. They haven't even seen the wheels and tires unpackaged yet, so we're gonna pull the curtain and show it to them. I'm gonna go grab them right now. Are you guys ready or what?
Is it time?
Yes. It's time.
Yes.
It is time.
You've kept us cooped up in this
beautiful theater.
Beautiful theater room, and we've just been like antsy. We're like, can we go look at it? Can we go look? So I'm ready.
This is it. I've been waiting 5 days for this. It's go time.
All right.
That's it, boys.
The big moment, the big reveal. Everyone's been waiting for.
All right, slide in. Everybody slide in.
All
right.
Everyone could be here for this moment.
So you guys can stand pretty much right about here.
So what do I, like, what if we start crying? No, I'm just kidding.
If you're crying, it's good footage. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
All right, let's open the curtain.
It looks incredible. I love it. Thank you, everyone involved and not involved. Thank you, everyone. It's been
Thank you guys.
never been treated so well somewhere. It's been awesome.
Yeah.
Seriously.
What an
very true.
experience.
Yeah.
I was wondering, I was like, wow, they cleared out.
Yeah, I was like, maybe they all went somewhere.
So obviously, guys hooked up 4.5-inch BDS with the upgraded Fox shocks, the Anthem wheels, and the Nittos. It's like perfect combo on here. And with the wrap, I really do think it looks sick now.
Dude, it does.
Like before, it was like, maybe.
All together. We don't look like idiots rolling down the road anymore. Yeah.
Oh, it looks
So there's only one thing left to do. It's time to go drive this thing.
Do I get to drive it?
You get to drive it.
Let's go.
Dude.